Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, November the 6th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Yes, two regular Sudokus. In this newspaper, by the way, there is also, yes, an additional. Yes, yesterday there was no additional with extra Sudokus, but today we have extra Sudokus, an extra new edition of the additional. But first, I will start with the regular Sudokus. And this will be a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And this one will be number 1848. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This Sudoku Light has each big square has 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me pick a number, 9 in this row, 9 in a row above. So that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then, I cannot continue with the 9. I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about the number 5? 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then. Ooh, not easy this one. How about 7 in this column, row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 1. Yeah. 5. Yes. I see in this big square, we have now 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5s in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in the first row, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have a 5 over there. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah, now I cannot continue with the 5. Yeah, let me continue with the number 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 2nd. Alright. Let me see. Which number now? How about the 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the 3rd column. So in the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And I have eliminated one of the 5s. So the other dot should be a 5. Let me mark them. Let me put this 5 there. So we have a 8 in this first row, 8 in the 3rd row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 5, 5. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. And now, one digit left in this column. This should be number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 4 in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 4. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, and the final two numbers of this big square, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a few seconds with a Sudoku heavy. The Sudoku below this one. How heavy? I do not know. Do not know. We will see how heavy it will be. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.